Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your freelancing portfolio with Dribbble step by step clearly. Create a Dribbble account if you don't already have one. Choose a username that reflects your brand and style. Upload a professional profile picture. Write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and expertise. Connect your social media accounts to your Dribbble profile. Start by uploading your best work. Select high-quality images that showcase your design skills. Consider adding process shots to give insight into your work methodology. Use appropriate tags for each project to improve discoverability. Engage with the Dribbble community by liking and commenting on other designers' work. Follow designers whose work inspires you or aligns with your style. Participate in design challenges hosted by Dribbble. Share your Dribbble posts across your other social media platforms. Collaborate with other freelancers or artists to expand your reach. Keep your portfolio updated regularly with new projects. Solicit feedback from fellow designers to improve your work. Leverage the Hire Me button if you are open to job offers. Join relevant groups or forums within the Dribbble community. Utilize Dribbble's analytics feature to track engagement and views. Adapt your strategy based on the performance of your uploads. Stay active and consistently interact with your followers. Foster relationships with potential clients by being responsive and approachable. Experiment with different styles and formats to find what resonates. Showcase any real-world projects or testimonials to build credibility. Network at local meetups or online events associated with Dribbble. Consider creating a video portfolio or case studies for more complex projects. Monitor design trends within the community to stay current. Continue refining your skills through online courses or workshops. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.